right, happy Sunday. And let's get into this recipe. From the title, you see I'm making easy oven baked chicken. I'll be using this Polynesian sauce. I'm using sriracha, garlic, and soy sauce. This is the easiest chicken recipe on the planet that you can ever make. You cannot mess it up, and if you mess it up, you need help. But to my bowl, I'm going to add some of the Polynesian sauce. I'm going to add some of the sriracha, as well as the other two ingredients. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you check that out. But now I'm just going to add all the ingredients in this bowl and mix it up really, really well. These are my cleaned chicken thighs. You can use chicken legs, chicken wings, chicken breasts, whatever part of the chicken you prefer. It's totally fine. This is my spicy girl. It'll be back in stock in another 2 weeks. Remember, I gave y'all an update about a week ago or so. And in about 2 weeks, they'll be back on sale. So make sure you guys look out for that. I seasoned the chicken liberally. My spice is low in sodium. So make sure if you're going to season your chicken, if you're using this sauce, it needs to be a low sodium seasoning that you use on the chicken. Don't over salt your chicken. So now I'm just going to add it to my baking pan like this. Get it nice and cozy. And then I'm just going to pour the sauce right over top. Alright, so now I'm just going to pour the sauce right over top. Remember, it's not meant for it to swim in sauce. The chicken is going to make its own juice. And then everything is just going to come together. And plus how I'm about to show you guys how I cook it. So you just want to have enough just to coat over the top of the chicken. You don't have to mix it up. You know, like I said, it's going in the oven. So once you get all the sauce over top, the sauce smells amazing, by the way. And you guys know I like using certain things to make sauces with. I can make a sauce with anything. I do think that you guys should try this recipe because it's so easy to make and most of the work is already done for you. So now I'll cover this up with some parchment and aluminum foil, and I'm going to pop it in the oven on 375 for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to remove the cover. These are the vegetables I'm using today. Now, I understand some people, this is not their zhuzh. This is not your zhuzh. But I am going to mash these root vegetables. I have a squash here and some rainbow carrots. I am on a low carb diet. No, I am not on keto, but I am on low carb. And so basically I'm just going to mash these vegetables. And I understand it's a texture thing. People are not really into that, but you can use mashed potatoes. You can use rice, grits, anything. But this is the side I'm having with it this week. So yeah. Alright, so these are what the vegetables look like, peeled up, chopped up, and ready to go. Beautiful colors, rainbow colors. And I'm just going to add it to chicken broth. You could use vegetable broth, water with salt, something. Flavor your water some way, somehow. And I'm just going to cook it until it's super, super fork tender. And I'm good to go. I'm just showing you the side I'm using. This is not like the main dish of the video, but you know, you guys get it. This is my chicken after 30 minutes, covered, unbothered, in the oven on 375. Don't peek at it. Don't do nothing. Okay. So now I'm going to remove the top, coat it with the juices in the pan. And I'm going to put it right back in the oven, 375, another 15-20 minutes so the chicken can develop its color. Right now, it's not giving. It's not giving right now. Okay, it's tender, but it's not giving. Now, this is giving. Okay, this is giving right here. Yeah, and so now I'm just going to put the sauce over top because, of course, it reduced. It got a little thick. And also, you guys, the reason why I didn't put any butter or anything, olive oil, because, you know, chicken thighs, they have their own fat going on, as you can see right here in the pan. But how beautiful and easy and delicious does this chicken look? Like, you literally barely did anything. So I hope you guys gave it a try. It's really, really good. It's delicious. It's not salty whatsoever. If you do what I told you to do, it wouldn't be salty. Look at me just staring at y'all. To my root vegetables, I added some butter. And I just used some Tony's and some pepper. I kept it simple because I just like the flavor of vegetables. So if you're someone that struggle with eating vegetables, just maybe add some Parmesan cheese, your favorite seasonings, your favorite herbs, and maybe you'll like it that way, you know. So I added some parsley, and that's it. That's it. Root vegetables smashed and ready to go. All right, so this is me just putting the chicken right next to my smashed root vegetables with a little bit of the sauce. Look how gorgeous and beautiful this chicken. Like, I cannot, and I'll never get sick of chicken. I eat chicken every week. So yeah, and you guys love my chicken recipes as well because, you know, these videos always do great. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you try it, tag me and let me know what you think. Look how tender this chicken thigh was. Like, look how tender. This chicken is so good, y'all. I know you're like, oh my God, Misha, Polynesian sauce. Yes, honey, the Polynesian sauce. As in Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce, okay? But yeah, if you give this recipe a try, let me know what you think. And I'll catch you guys on my next video, which will be in a couple hours. Bye!